Hi guys, so I'm going to give you a haul. So I'm in Wales right now and I went around town and I went to the beach, and next I'm going to one of them nature roller coaster park things. So first I got ice cream and then I also got this fizzy boba. It's really nice. It's like Fanta mixed with mango boba pearls. But yeah. Then I got some lollies from the arcade, 2 mega tongue painters and 2 mini tongue painters. They're all blue ones too. Then I got a cheese squishy, but it's not any ordinary cheese squishy. It's a slow rising cheese squishy. So nice, and it was only like £3. Then I got my first crocodile. And it's sand and it's really nice ASMR. Right now I'm in the van waiting for my family. And then yeah, bye.